let's see, guys, if you have any questions or comments.
Okay, excellent. I was speaking to a friend, and just wanted to ask, right? What's the relationship between you owning an NFT in terms of, is it your more like, is it more like a direction of me to the NFT resource, or is it more of a bi-directional relationship in terms of the relationship in terms of the data itself? So if I was to model that, right, will I say X individual having a relationship to a particular NFT resource, or is it both ways? Is it is it bi-directional rather than unidirectional one way? Because I think I was reading up somewhere where, and I was speaking to someone, and they made complaints about that, and they said that's why some businesses basically have to do a situation where they have to create a database, and whenever you buy a particular NFT, they still map you in that database. They still kind of create a record of that particular transaction to that util in that database, so that you having to check a list of NFT in the world and trying to filter by a particular identification ID or user, it's more like a very, very, the worst case scenario is that the person you're looking for, the resource you're looking for, is at the end of the block. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so how do you plan to solve that kind of problem aside from using an external database to map that relationship?
So the 2-cent answer is it's bi-directional. You can verify, like you can see what do I own as NFTs, and you can get an NFT and see who owns it. If this is your question, how to do this, it's up to you. As if you are developing a system right now, you can go and scan the network to find something. The network is there, it's public, as we saw in Etherscan. You can look at anything, all the transaction across the history, but also you can create your own database to optimize it a little bit. So for example, OpenSea, the most common website in the NFT space, this website have their own database that they store data in it to be faster in retrieval, which is the same thing that we do in creating any system right now. We create different microservices, we create caching, we create a lot of stuff. So let's think about your own database as it's your caching system in between you and the network, instead of you going to read something from the network, which is maybe a little bit harder or take more time. But to find something like you got an ID of an NFT right now, the smart contracts and the NFT ID, you can go in and scan the network for this token and know who bought it, when, for how much, and see the full history of this NFT. It's bi-directional, if this answered your question.
Yeah, and it.
Okay, sorry.
And Spokes, I sent you a link too that it's pretty interesting. I mean, technically, OpenSea is not decentralized by default.
Exactly.
And that's how most of those are. But if you look into IPFS, which is the Interplanetary File System, that's where you can like actually decentralize some of these files. But most people don't even operate on that protocol. Even on, like, if you look into the code on some NFTs on a lot of them, actually, a couple that I own, this is Joel actually introduced me to this, but it's like they're literally stored on AWS, the file itself. So it's like, unless you use an IPFS and like actually doing it correctly, like a lot of them are technically centralized.
That's true. That's a bad statement. So they are, and there is a lot of NFT space. Like the whole space right now is crowded a lot because there is a lot of quick money that you can make and lose in this space. So you'll find a lot of stuff there. But from a technical point of view, as you said, there is IPFS, which is a real decentralized hosting system for the files itself. But by the way, there is a lot of NFTs that are not files. They just data that you own. And it represents that this person owns this thing. And this thing can be a physical thing in the real world. You can present it with an image, but it's not the main concern in this type of NFT. For example, the restaurant that we talked about, your membership is an ID on the chain. If it have a picture associated with it, that's okay. If the picture gone, that's fine. who cares? I still have my NFT. But some other projects are totally depend on Web2 technology, and it can go away with the centralized services there.
So, thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. Anyone have any more questions? I think I said 30 minutes, but I think now we are 45 to an hour.
Yeah.
Okay, so well, I was very happy with you guys here, and I hope that I added any value. I had my Twitter account in the slides, and I will send and share the slides with you guys to look at, because there is a lot of references there. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Twitter is the best place to reach out. My DMs are open for anyone, and thank you again for hosting me.
Yeah, what was
sorry,
your
let's see
what
the
was your
username.
handle? What was your handle again? Will you just post it in the
I
chat?
will send it in the chat. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Islam. This is so nice from you.
Thank you.
And,
And if you lost it or anything, you can reach out for your Islam, and he can.
yeah, I will definitely connect you guys, and we will post the slides on our channel. So yeah, thank you, Adi.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Yeah,
Good day. Bye.
thanks.
Bye, Islam.
Wait, we need to take a picture first.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
Uh-huh.
I forgot that.
Yeah, let's take a group
Guys,
picture, guys.
I was just like, Balaji is trying to like do this thing with the grooming, so I was just like, do it again, so we can have a picture.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
You're the one who takes the pictures. So yeah.
All right, yeah. So, guys,
nice,
if
right?
you can maybe switch on your cameras so we can take a quick groupie, that'll be perfect. Awesome. Yay.
I don't know why I can't find you on Twitter.
Really?
Yeah, are you sure
All
that's the right handle?
I will write it again.
Oh, here we go.
I will send it to you.
Oh, I found you.
Alrighty. Okay. I'll take a screenshot. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Sorry. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yay. Thanks,
I like
you.
that you're
everyone.
smiling. Thank you, Pete.
Yeah, thank you
Thanks,
so much.
Aslam.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Awesome presentation. Nice work.
See these cameras. He's getting it.
Thanks, Aslam 1 and 2.
He just laughed. I was like, he's so busy. Hello, people.
I know. Yeah.
Oh, Coyote. I just want to say hi, Coyote. I just saw Coyote here, so hi. I was like, hi, Victory. I know we still have 2
Is
minutes.
that
so we can
Jollibee,
just, like,
Ethan?
talk.
Hi, Joy.
Hello. Is anybody? Wait, I wasn't able to say thank you to Aslam. Coyote, I'm supposed to message you, but like, let me just like message you later, okay? I forgot about it.
Oh,
Um,
I was muted. Yeah, you can message me, Joy. Yeah. Thank you.
yeah, I'll message you later. Okay, guys, we
Awesome.
still
Thanks,
have
guys.
2 minutes, so but I'll go because I needed to go to the restroom. Bye.
Thank you.
guys.
And Aslam, shout out, big shout out to you. Hats off.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Awesome.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.